If you're planning to attend FABTECH 2023, be sure to add to your agenda visiting ViewTech Borescopes as they exhibit. From September 11th through the 14th, you'll be able to trial a ViewTech video borescope during FABTECH's exhibit hall hours at the McCormick Place in Chicago, Illinois. ViewTech has thousands of clients that rely on their video borescopes for maintenance, inspections, and quality control procedures. See for yourself at FABTECH why ViewTech's affordable, high-quality video borescopes are preferred by engineers and technicians throughout the metal forming, fabricating, and welding industries' remote visual inspection of machinery, equipment, and components. With ViewTech's no-cost, no-obligation demo offer, you can demo a ViewTech video borescope at your facility before your next inspection requirement. Contact the ViewTech Video Borescope experts at 1-231-943-1171 or visit our website, viewtech.com.